In this demonstration, we will log into an on-premise and central installation for the first time, configure the settings, and activate the license key. After installing N-Central, a green screen appears indicating a successful installation. Enter the URL into a browser. Enter the credentials from the welcome email and click Login. Review the end-user license agreement and click Accept to continue. Enter and confirm a new login name and password for the administrator role. Enter your company information and activation ID. Enter the fully qualified domain name where the N-Central server will reside. Specify the email addresses where product notifications will come from, and which mail relay server to use for these tasks. Click Continue. The N-Central UI appears. To activate the N-Central license, go to System Settings. Click N-Central Server and select License Key. To begin the activation process, go to Reactivate. Copy the license request, and in the Enable Support ticket, share the license request to receive the license key. Enter the license key and click Reactivate.